source pop up. You see a whole bunch of stuff, and it looks pretty self-explanatory, but it's really not. I mean, the libraries are empty. There's nothing in music, nothing in any of these things. So, what a repository is, if you go up to the very top, you'll be at the settings menu, which, looks like a gear. And you go over to File Manager. You will be at the File Manager. And I mean, that's pretty much what a repository is. It's a file manager. So I'm gonna bring up, if you use GitHub, then I'm pretty sure you know what a repository is, But I mean, it's pretty much a file manager that you can manage files from your command line or from wherever. So when you hit add source at the bottom, you will basically just add a connection to that path to the file source. So you can type in GPS, whatever, and then put a name, and then you'll be able to connect. But in this video, I'll show you how to connect to YouTube, like use YouTube on Kodi. So go to add source, and then you will go to the first one, the top, where you can actually put the path to the website or whatever, the repository, and type in HTTPS tinyurl.com/, the L48. Alright, let me make that clear. And then it should automatically already have it. Should be right there. But don't do any of that. You will probably get a successful screen or something like that. Press OK, then go back. Hit the back button. Go down and to the right, the system. Go down to add-ons, then go over, go down and pick, and switch on unknown sources. So you should see that. Just hit yes. Go back. back again, and now you can install repositories. So, you know, this is a lot right here. So I'll show you how to clean this up, because you don't really use TV, music. Well, I don't. So, well, I'll show you it later. I'll show you how to like take these off. But you go to add-ons and you actually select the where it's blue. You go up to the little box thing up here, select it, and from here you go to install from zip file, and go down till you see your like the little name you just gave it in the settings menu. You won't have all of these. Like, you will probably only have that. This one, but you go to the L48. Go down, click it, and you wait like a couple seconds. Let it cook. Let it do its thing. And you see at the top, you installed it, the repository. You didn't install the add-on. I'll make another video of how, like, what is an add-on. But now you go up to install from repository, and you select it. You won't have all of these. You'll probably just have Kodi. Yeah, probably just Kodi. But you go to what you just saw at the top right that said installed. You select it, and now you're inside. This is what an actual repository is. Like, it's this right here. It's just a folder with subfolders with add-ons, which are like plugins. So you'll go all the way down, go to video add-ons, select it. Then you'll go to Dream Machine. Select it. You would just start downloading it right away. And then at the top right, you would see like a installed successful or something. And you will go back again to the main menu. Back. And back again. And you will see like Dream Machine right there. And you can select it. It take a little while, but I mean, it's worth it. You can use YouTube on Kodi. Like, and I just like put it in a big playlist. I'll show you. Hit the back button. And, you know, Dream Machine, they got their little thing going on. But what I use it for is DreamTube. And me personally, I'll select it and hold the select button to save it to my favorites, so I can have it saved there, so I don't gotta now you can search for stuff on YouTube. Let's try something out. So I'm just searching for videos about like Python coding, and this take a little while, but oh dang, wow, it came up instantly. And and what I'll do, it's a little quick tip. If you select the first one and you hold it down, you hold the select button down, and you go to play from here, it'll like play it in a little playlist, and then you can save the playlist, and it'll pop up in the little main menu in the video in the video folder thingy on the left at the main menu. But if you learn something from this, if you learn something from this video, like, share, and subscribe to the boy.